Imagine this. You open your eyes to the soft hum of advanced technology, the gentle glow of artificial sunlight, and the unfamiliar view of a world that no human has ever called home before. You're not just dreaming. You're one of the first pioneers to set foot on an exoplanet. A planet orbiting a distant star, light years away from Earth. The air inside your habitat is filtered and recycled. The gravity feels just a bit different, and outside your window, alien mountains and strange skies stretch as far as you can see. What would it really be like to wake up as one of the first humans living on an alien planet? Let's dive into the incredible challenges and opportunities that come with surviving and thriving on a world so far from home. Every day is a new adventure, and every decision could mean the difference between success and failure for the entire colony. The first step is understanding the exoplanet itself. Is the atmosphere breathable? How strong is the gravity? What's the weather like? And how does the planet's day-night cycle compare to Earth's? These questions aren't just for curiosity, they're matters of survival. Astronomy and physics are our guides here. Before we even set foot on the surface, teams back on Earth and in orbit use powerful telescopes and advanced simulations to map out the planet's features. They analyze everything from the chemical makeup of the air to the strength of the planet's magnetic field. Understanding these details helps us predict storms, avoid dangerous terrain, and even figure out how to generate power from local resources. This knowledge is the foundation for every plan we make. It tells us where to build our habitats, how to shield ourselves from radiation, and what kind of technology we'll need to survive. From the layout of our living spaces to the design of our vehicles, everything depends on a deep understanding of this alien world. Now let's talk about food, because no matter how far we travel, we still need to eat. Biology becomes our best friend. We have to figure out how to grow earth plants in soil and air that are nothing like what we're used to. Hydroponic gardens, genetically modified crops, and careful monitoring of nutrients are all part of the daily routine. But it's not just about growing food. We also have to study the alien environment for new forms of life, microbes, bacteria, maybe even complex organisms. Some of these could be dangerous, while others might help us adapt and thrive. Every sample we collect is a potential breakthrough or a hidden threat. Learning how to cultivate earth plants far from home is a challenge that pushes our scientific creativity. We experiment with different light cycles, water sources, and even artificial pollinators to make sure our crops survive. Each harvest is a victory, a sign that we're learning to live in harmony with this new world. And then there's the question of our own bodies. How do we adapt to strange air, unfamiliar water, and a completely new set of microbes? Medical teams constantly monitor our health, checking for signs of illness or stress. We have to be ready for anything, from allergic reactions to unknown bacteria to the long-term effects of lower gravity on our bones and muscles. Staying healthy means more than just medicine. It's about exercise, mental well-being, and even hygiene. In a closed environment, a simple cold can spread quickly, so we have to be vigilant. Every day, we work to keep our bodies and minds strong, because survival depends on it. Next up, engineering. Engineering is the backbone of our survival. We're building habitats that can withstand alien storms, life support systems that recycle every drop of water and breath of air, and tools that work in conditions we've never experienced before. Every structure, every system is a testament to human ingenuity. Out here, every screw, wire, and robot matters. If something breaks, we can't just call for help. Repairs have to be made with what we have on hand. Robotics and automation become essential partners, helping us maintain our equipment and even explore places too dangerous for humans. But there's more to life on an exoplanet than just science and technology. Here's a big one: philosophy. When you're millions of kilometers from Earth, you start to ask the big questions. Why are we here? What does it mean to be human in a place so far from home? How do we find purpose and meaning in the unknown? We need to have tough conversations about our goals, our values, and our responsibilities. We journal, we talk, we reflect, because building a new society means deciding what kind of people we want to be. How do we treat new life if we find it? Do we protect it, study it, or try to coexist? These are questions with no easy answers, but they shape every decision we make. And as we work together, we have to decide what kind of community we want to build. Will we recreate Earth's societies or invent something entirely new? How do we ensure fairness, cooperation, and respect in a place where everyone depends on each other for survival? Mastering these fields, science, engineering, philosophy, and more, isn't just about surviving. It's about shaping the future of humanity among the stars. Every step we take, every lesson we learn, brings us closer to a new chapter in our story. So, as we explore the unknown, remember, the next great leap for humanity could start with someone just like you. Maybe one day, you'll be the one leading the way, writing the next page in the story of our journey beyond Earth.